Hello friends, welcome to you in a 5-minute solution. Hope so you are good. Friends, today I'll show you how to access or use WhatsApp on computer. Friends, sometimes someone can want to open WhatsApp on PC or laptop. Friends, to access or use your WhatsApp by PC or laptop, you have to have internet connection in your mobile and also in your PC or laptop. So friends, to know the settings, please watch the whole video, and if you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel 5-minute solution yet, please subscribe now and press the bell icon to get the next notification about more videos on WhatsApp. Friends, for this you have to open your WhatsApp. Then you have to click on triple dot at the top right corner. After that you have to click on WhatsApp web, my friends. So click on it, my friends. And see, my friends, here is a scanner, right? So I have to scan a QR code from computer, my friends. See what is written here, my friends. To use WhatsApp web, go to web.whatsapp.com, right? On your computer. So for this I have to go on computer, my friends. Then I have to open internet browser and I have to write here web.whatsapp.com, my friend, this one. After that I have to press enter. And see, my friends, what is written here. To use WhatsApp on your computer, open WhatsApp on your phone. And number 2, tap menu or settings and select WhatsApp web. And number 3, point your phone to this screen to capture the code. So I have to scan this QR code, my friend. Then I can access my WhatsApp on computer. So now I'm going to scan QR code by phone. And see, my friends, after scanning QR code, my WhatsApp contacts, it has came automatically in my computer, right? And from here I can access my WhatsApp, my friends. So friends, now I have logged in my WhatsApp in computer. Friends, if I want to log out from computer, how can I log out, my friends? So friends, for this you have to go on triple dot at the top right corner of your WhatsApp. Then you have to click on WhatsApp web, my friend. And see, my friends, what is written here. Currently active Windows, right? So I have to click on log out from all devices. So if I click log out from all devices without my mobile, my friends, this one, which one I am using, without this device, WhatsApp will log out from all devices, my friends. So click on it, my friends. Then click on log out. Done, my friends. Then you can go back. So friends, like this you can access or use your WhatsApp on PC or laptop. So friends, still if you have any question, you can ask me in comment box. I'll try to give answer as soon as possible, my friends. Friends, if this video helpful to you, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching this video, my friend. Take care.